Here is a really simple, effective exercise for those who are brand new to pull-ups. We're going to go over setup, how to do this exercise, and things to avoid with this exercise as well. First, setup. Setup, we want the barbell about shoulder height, a little bit higher if you have really long arms like me. So you can see I'm just making sure it's level with according to my body. Grabbing the barbell. Here we go. And voila. Back to the exercise. Feet are going to be right underneath the barbell. Hands a little bit shoulder width distance. We want the feet to have a feather weight in them. Most of the weight is in your hands. As you're pulling yourself up, the feet are just assisting very slightly as a push. Again, key is have most of the weight in the hands as you pull. Slight pressure in the feet as you push up. Things to avoid with this exercise is crunching the shoulders. We want to practice good form with this to set us up for pull-ups. The other thing is reaching with the chin. So here, keeping the torso, shoulders down away from the ears, and pulling straight up.